Welcome to the Vodia PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add SMS in the Vodia PBX. Before you begin, you'll need to configure SMS in the Voxtelesys portal. Check out our video or written guide on the topic if you haven't already. The link for both will be in the description. Once you have SMS set up in the Voxtelesys portal, navigate back to Vodia at the Administrator System level. Click on the Settings tab, then click on Messaging. Click on Notifications from the dropdown. We will now configure features under Text Messaging. Select the Voxtelesys template in the Provider field. Fill in the Application Secret field, which is the API key you created in the Voxtelesys portal. Fill in the default ANI for sending SMS messages field with the SMS number or numbers from Voxtelesys. Click on Save when you're finished. Next, we'll assign the SMS number to an extension. Navigate to your domain and click on your desired account. Add the SMS number in the ANI for SMS text box, then scroll down and click on Save. Congratulations! You've successfully added SMS to the Vodia PBX. Check back for more helpful guides as we're continually adding new content.